Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and this time it is an unboxing video, but this time it's gonna be the fake AirPods Pro that I found on Shopee for around 40-50 ringgit. I don't recall, but apparently it has a lot of features that actually kind of replicates the exact AirPods Pro, so we're gonna see. So this is the box itself. As you can see, let's check from the side. There's nothing on the side, except here. It's written i3 Pro W, and it's written in Chinese as well. And the back is the image of the AirPods, and also some features written over here with wireless charging case, and yeah, that's all. And a lot of things that replicate as well. So let's unbox it. Okay. Oh. And this is in Chinese as well. And it's quite surprising. And whoa. They practically replicate every single thing. Oh, it has a weight in it too. It's not bad. Okay, let's put it aside. And then oh, it has the buds. Damn, this is actually going pretty great. And then the charging cables, and yeah, that's it. And the whole thing is a bit flimsy that you can even take it out. But I guess it's something cheap that you don't really have to say much about it. But let's give it a test. Not your AirPods Pro. Oh, it has a pops up. Connect. Hold the button. Oh my god, it works perfectly for the case. Okay, I'm gonna test it out and see how it is. Because surprisingly, it's supposed to be good if they replicate it. Oh my god, it's actually not bad at all. And I can actually hear the noise cancellation as well. And man, this is really good. Oh my god. Damn, this is actually quite good. Oh my gosh, this is actually really great. It has serial numbers and everything. This is actually really surprising. I'm gonna check out if the serial number is like legit or something. Okay, after checking the serial number, apparently it's written that we are sorry that the serial number for this product has been replaced. Please check your information and re-enter the serial number. If your information is correct, you may need to contact us. So basically, I think this is like a replacement unit, but it works really pretty great. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm gonna test out whether the wireless charging works or not, but I'll be surprised. And it has a weight on it. This is actually quite amazing. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!